guys, so now you won't be able to stare at this disgusting floor. You're going to be staring at this little board I made. I know a lot of these are big because of like notes and stuff. So yeah, and it's not that, like, this part's not that big. But I had to use 2 papers. Yeah. So like, I wanted it to be not all flimsy. I wanted it to be like kind of bulky and stuff. So I fold it, and then you just switch to the other side. And then if I just want to be plain right now and just doesn't make a quick video, I will probably use this side. And yeah, I just felt like making this because I was just disgusted by all my videos staring on the ground. So yeah, so it's a really nice thing that I made, and yeah, so this is a confirmation for Amy9500. Thanks so much for ordering. I forgot to do a squishy shop update, but there's only 1 item, so I'll probably do that when I put more squishies inside of it. So yeah, so this is for Amy M, and this is in a bubble mailer. You're probably gonna say, oh my gosh, why does she have a bubble mailer? And I didn't. This is a reused envelope. So yeah, that's why it's kind of covered right here. And this is my address, so yeah. This is why it's kind of covered right there. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. And see. So yeah. And yep. I'm probably not gonna really care if I show my address once, because I'm moving. So I really don't care. So I'm sorry if it's in an envelope, but I'm gonna retape it really nicely. Whoa. Yeah, oh, sorry if my room kind of looks messy and stuff. So, too bad. I have to move around. Super squishy. And the suspected macaroni, which didn't come in packaging. So you got those 2. And then your specially note. And then, I don't know what to give as extra. I seriously don't know what to give as an extra. I'm sorry, but I don't have any extras right now. I'm kind of running low on them. I'll figure something out, and yeah, I'm trying to think of what extra I should give you. I'll give you this extra. Okay. So that's basically it for this order confirmation. I love this Grandma Goma one. So that's all you basically ordered, and hopefully you will love the package I sent you, like, on Instagram or something. So you should be getting it tomorrow. So yeah. So send them an ASAP, and bye. And your total was $5, by the way.